Hello, class. I'm Miss McCauley, your teacher. Today we're going to read this paragraph. We're going to read words that begin with the BL blend, the bull blend, bull blend. Okay? And then we're going to read this paragraph and answer the questions. So we're going to read the paragraph with the BL words and then answer the questions about the paragraph. Go ahead and write your name here at the top. Okay. And before you start, you're going to need a yellow crayon and you're going to need to color all the BLs at the beginning of words. See, there's no BL here, none here, and here, but there's one right here. There's none here, none here, none here, none here, none here, but there's one right here. So go ahead and pause this video and color in the BL at the beginning of blizzard, blizzard, blue, blue, blocks, black, blossoms, blankets, blasts, and blizzard, and blue. Pause the video and color those BLs in. Okay? When you're done, unpause the video. Do that now, please. Okay, class. Hopefully you had a chance to color in all the BLs at the beginning of these words in the paragraph. Now this word here, big, has a B at the beginning but not an L, so you shouldn't color that one in. This word bags has a B at the beginning but not a BL. It has to be the BL together. Okay, so we're going to read this paragraph, and the first time we read it, we're going to think about this question. When did the blizzard take place? What question are we thinking about? When did the blizzard take place? Now that question, when did it take place, means when did it happen? When did the blizzard happen? Okay, so think about that question and its answer when we're reading this. So we're going to echo read. I read and you repeat. Okay? Here we go. Ready? First me, and then you. My turn. Here I go. There was a blizzard while I was sleeping. Your turn. Ready? Begin. Good job. I hope you read that sentence. My turn. Here I go. That blizzard blew everything into my yard. Your turn. Ready? Begin. Okay, good job. My turn. Ready? I go first, so here I go. There were blue blocks and black bags. Your turn. Ready? Begin. Good job. Now it's my turn. Here I go. There were blossoms and blankets. All right, go back here. Now it's your turn. Ready? Begin. Okay, my turn. Here I go. It all made a big mess. Your turn. Ready? Begin. Great job. Now it's my turn. Here I go. There must have been big blasts of wind because that blizzard blew everything into my yard. I'm going to read it again because that was a long sentence, okay? I'm going to read it again. There must have been big blasts of wind because that blizzard blew everything into my yard. Okay, now put your finger here and you're going to read it. Ready? Begin. Okay, we read this paragraph one time, so let's color in the first face to show that we read it one time. And let's answer that question. When did the blizzard take place? So let's look at the top. There was a blizzard while I was sleeping. Oh, the blizzard happened while they were sleeping. So let's underline this. While I was sleeping. Get your pencil and draw a line under or underline while I was sleeping. Go ahead and do that. So now we know when the blizzard took place. So let's write here. While I, there's I, and then was, one finger space. Okay, so while I was sleeping. So the last word is sleeping. I'm going to put a finger space. Sleeping. Okay, so I finished with number 1. Why don't you pause the video and write down while I was sleeping? Go ahead and do that. Pause the video now and write that down. Alright, hopefully you paused the video and you wrote down while I was sleeping, which is this right here that we underlined. Okay, now we're going to read it for a second time, but this time we're going to focus on the answer to this question. What did the author describe as blue? Okay, so this time we're going to read it again together. Oh, actually, let's echo read again, okay? I'm going to echo read. So what did this author describe as blue? Here we go. Ready? Me first, okay? And then you're going to repeat. My turn. Here I go. There was a blizzard while I was sleeping. Your turn. Ready? Begin. Okay, my turn. Me only. Here I go. That blizzard blew everything into my yard. Okay, now it's your turn. Put your finger right here. Ready, begin. Okay, now it's my turn. Just me. Here I go. There were blue blocks and black bags. Now it's your turn. Put your finger on this word right here. Ready, begin. Now, see the word blue? It answers the question, what did the author describe as blue? So what was he describing as blue? blue blocks. So underline right here, blue blocks. Okay, hopefully you underline blue blocks, and we're going to continue reading the paragraph so we can color our second smiley face. My turn. Here I go. There were blossoms and blankets. Your turn. Put your finger right here. Ready? Begin. Good. Okay, now my turn. Only me. Here I go. It all made a big mess. Now it's your turn. Put your finger right here. Ready? Begin. All right, good job. Now it's my turn. Here I go. There must have been big blasts of wind because that blizzard blew everything into my yard. That's a long sentence. Do your best. It doesn't have to be perfect. Put your finger right here. Ready? Begin. All right, now we read it 2 times. So I'm going to color in the second smiley face, and I'm going to answer the question, what did the author describe as blue? And right here I underline blue blocks. So he described the blocks as blue. So I'm going to write the and then I put 1 finger space and write blocks. The blocks. He described the blocks as blue, right? All right. Go ahead and pause the video so you can write down the blocks. Okay, hopefully you paused the video and you wrote down the blocks and you're ready to move on to the last question. If you're not done, pause the video till you finished question number 2. Okay, we're going to read it one more time, but we need to think about this question. Do you think the author is happy about the blizzard? Is the author happy about the blizzard? So now we're not going to echo read, we're going to choral read. And that means we do it together at the same time. So it's not going to be me first and then you. It's going to be me and you together. So put your finger on the title. We're going to start. Ready? Begin. The blizzard. There was a blizzard while I was sleeping. That blizzard blew everything into my yard. There were blue blocks and black bags. There were blossoms and blankets. It all made a big mess. There must have been big blasts of wind because that blizzard blew everything into my yard. All right, now we read it for a 3rd time. All right, so is the author happy about the blizzard? What do you think? Look at the paragraph and see if you can't figure out if the author says nice things about the blizzard because he likes it, or if he says things that weren't nice about the blizzard because he doesn't like it. Well, he said the blizzard made a big mess. It blew everything into his yard. Does that sound like he liked the blizzard? No, I don't think he liked it. He didn't like the big mess. So we're going to write no, because no, because it made a, now I can't fit the word mess in here, so I'm just going to put it down here, okay? Mess. So, no space, because space, it space, made a mess. Go ahead and pause the video and write that down. No, because it made a mess. Okay, hopefully you finished writing the answers to the questions and you finished reading it 3 times and colored in the 3 faces to show that you read it 3 times. Okay? Good luck.